Hi guys, it's Doreen and welcome back to my channel. Today I have the first part of my Harry Potter series and I actually have 3 DIY videos to show you guys. And these DIYs are very detail oriented and everything, so it's not going to be like whatever. I've been working on all these projects for about a month and a half. I've definitely put in a lot of work into it and it's all for you guys, so I really hope you enjoy. And today we're going to be making some Harry Potter wands. It's going to be very personalized and Alexander and I actually made them together so you guys can see my version of the wand and his version of the wand. So you guys can have some ideas of how you can get creative and really make your own personal wand. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. Here's everything we're going to be needing. Some chopsticks, scissors, paintbrushes, twine, string, masking tape, hot glue, various acrylic paints in any colors, a mixing palette, and an X-Acto knife.
Hey, Alexander here. First, I'm going to start off with breaking the 2 chopsticks apart. Once that is done, I'm taking the masking tape to wrap it around the chopstick to make and shape the base of the wand. The closer the layers, the thicker the wand will be. At the end of the wand, I'm wrapping some more tape to create a handle. I'm also rolling the chopstick on the table to shape it to my liking. Next, I'm cutting a short piece of twine and knot it around the handle twice. I will be repeating it 5 times to give the wand some texture and better grip, followed by cutting off the excess string. Using brown paint and a brush, I'm going to cover the wand completely. To help me keep my hands clean as I work, I'm attaching some paper towel pieces around the pliers. After letting the wands dry, I'm painting on some more details with white paint and a small brush. And then that's it, I'm done.
Hi, it's Doreen, and now I'm ready to start my wand. I'm starting with the handle and using hot glue as my base. There is no exact method of doing this, but I'm just dripping the hot glue all over the chopstick and giving it shape and texture. I also drip it down to the bottom of where I want the handle to end so it can blend into the rest of the stick. Using some plain string, I attach one end and spiral it around where I applied the glue. I'm then spiraling it back up again, and this gives the handle some interesting texture. After gluing down the end of my string, I cut off the excess and use an X-Acto knife to slowly carve out the bottom of the chopstick. This will make the end to a slight point and make it all blend together. Using the same brown acrylic paint, I'm going to paint the entirety of my wand. I will need 2 coats for this. Applying the same method with the pliers, I am focusing on painting the handle. With some gold glitter paint, I am painting the string to give details and make the string more visible. And that's it, I'm done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already. If you guys recreated this wand or any of my other tutorials, then I'd love to see photos of it. You guys can tag me in it on my Instagram, which is @DoreenAngel with an underscore, or my Twitter, which is the exact same name, DoreenAngel with an underscore. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video next time. Bye!